Hi everyone, good day. In this video, I'll be teaching you how to report account on TikTok. Okay, first things first, scroll through TikTok and find the account you want to report. In this example, I'll use this account. Tap then on the profile picture of the account you want to report. Then next is to tap on the arrow button in the top right corner to access a menu. You'll then see a menu at the bottom. To report the account, just tap on Report, which is represented by a flag icon. Now, you'll be presented with options for why you want to report this account. Just select the appropriate reason or the reason that applies to you. For instance, if you believe that they are pretending to be someone else or they are pretending to be you, just tap on that option. Once you have made your selection, follow any on-screen instructions, then confirm your choice and tap Submit. When you tap Submit, your report will then be sent to TikTok for review. If TikTok determines that your report is valid, they will then take the appropriate actions. Anyways, if you like content like this, don't forget to subscribe to this channel or comment down below any tutorials you want us to make, so we can help you. And that's it. You can now report an account on TikTok. Thanks for watching and happy scrolling.